Let's go. I wake up.
Hi viewers, welcome to the third session of Finance Guru. So today I am going to teach you how to pass the journal entry according to each financial transactions. So as I told, at first the companies are preparing journal entries before preparing all other statements. So after preparing journal entry only, they have to prepare the ledger accounts and all other financial statements. So I'm going to start how to pass journal entry according to the financial transactions. So at first I am starting with the journal entry. That is very simple. Ram started business with cash rupees 50,000. Ram started business with cash rupees 50,000 when he started on 1st April. So 1st April Ram started business with cash. So this is the journal entry. Before that I'll teach you how to prepare the format of journal entry. Date, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit. Date, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit. So what is the first transaction? Ram started business with cash rupees 50,000. So we can post here date column. We put the correct date 1/4/24. 1st April means 1/4/2024. So journal entry will be cash account debtor to capital. Cash should be debited and capital should be credited. How much amount? 50,000. So cash account debtor, debit column we have to write the 50,000 to capital. That should be come under credit column. So credit column also 50,000. Always the debit and credit column always should be tally, equal. So already we learned that debit and credit column always should be tallied. So cash account debtor to capital 50,000 we wrote in both the columns, debit and credit column. Now we have to give a narration for the journal entry. Being Ram started business with the cash. We can write any journal entry but it should be started with the being. Being Ram started business. This is the first journal entry. I think it's clear for you. Now the next transaction is sold goods for cash rupees 5,000 on 4th April. Sold goods for cash rupees 5,000 on 4th April. What is the meaning of that? Cash sales. The company is selling, Ram is selling goods on cash. So either cash transaction or credit transaction. So Ram can sell the goods either for cash or credit. So this is a cash transaction. Sold goods for cash. So for cash, Ram selling the goods. So what it is the journal entry will be coming? Sold goods for cash. Cash account debtor to sales. Cash should be debited and sales should be credited because cash is comes in. So as per the real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So cash is comes in, that should be debited. Cash account debtor to sales. How much amount? This is a 5,000. So debit column we should write 5,000. The same way credit column also 5,000. What narration we can give? Being cash sales. So I hope this both the journal entries is clear for you. First one started business with the cash and next one sold goods for cash. Next transaction, purchased goods for cash rupees 1,000 rupees. So for company purpose, the owner is purchasing goods for cash. So goods are comes in, cash is going out. How much rupees? 1,000 rupees. So whenever the owner is purchasing goods, what goods he didn't specify? Only goods. Purchased goods means what is the journal entry will come? Purchases account debtor to cash. So if the company owner is purchasing furniture, machinery, plant, whatever it is, that name will come. For example, instead of the purchased goods, the company owner is purchasing furniture. So what is journal entry? Furniture account debtor to cash. Because in that transaction, it's specifically mentioning what goods they are purchasing. Machinery in a machinery, furniture in a furniture. But in this transaction, it didn't specify what goods they are purchasing. Only purchased goods. So in this case, if they are not mentioning the particular assets, what journal entry will come? Purchase account debtor to cash. So goods is comes in, cash is going out. We are not writing goods account debtor. Instead of that, what we are writing? Purchases account debtor to cash. Instead of this, the company owner is purchasing machinery. Now what journal entry will come? Machinery account debtor to cash. But in this transaction, the company owner is not mentioning about the. So I hope you understand clearly. Purchased goods for cash means goods is comes in, cash is going out. But we are not writing goods account debtor. Instead of that, what we are writing? Purchases account debtor to cash. How much rupees? 1000 rupees. That should write both debit and credit column. What narration we can write? Being goods purchased. So this journal entry is completed. So I hope today's class you understand well. 5 transaction I explained today. Started business with cash, purchased goods, purchased furniture, salary paid, rent paid, sold good for cash. So all this transaction I taught you how to post the journal entries. So 5 journal entry I taught today. So next class I'll teach you the remaining journal entry, somewhat tough journal entries. This is very simple journal entry. Now little bit moderate and tough journal entry I'll teach you next class. So next session we can meet again. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye.